Hey Best Fiends fans, I'm Mark Montano, and today I am going to show you how to make some Best Fiends trading pins using the characters Quincy, Bob, and Slug. Are you ready? Let's make some Best Fiends pins. Here's what you'll need. Small Best Fiends images, cereal box cardboard, circle punches, Americana decoupage, Famo wood glaze coat, bar pin backs, E6000 glue. Let's make Best Fiends trading pins. Punch out each image. Punch cardboard circles in the same size. Spread glue on each cardboard circle. Adhere the images to the cardboard circles. Glue the Best Fiends logo to a cardboard scrap. Carefully cut out the logo. Seal each image with Americana decoupage and let dry. Wear gloves to keep your hands clean while working with the glaze coat. Measure equal parts of side A and side B. Combine side A and side B and then stir for 6 minutes. Use a straw to distribute the glaze coat on each image. You can pop the bubbles by blowing through another straw, or you can use a long arm lighter. Let cure overnight. Finally, glue a pin back on each piece with E6000. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And to see more of my videos, look for Mark Montano or Make Your Mark right here on YouTube.